Printer stops suddenly, shows code 7800, and refuses to continue. That usually points to an internal condition the machine is trying to protect itself from. On a Canon printer, this error is often related to internal temperature, print head movement, or a system glitch rather than a complete failure. You might notice the printer powers on but won't print, or it shows the error right after startup. In some cases, this happens after heavy usage, blocked airflow, or when the internal mechanism doesn't move freely. Other times, it's just a temporary system fault that needs clearing. Instead of assuming the printer is damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get it working again. 1. Turn off the printer and unplug it from the power source. 2. Open the cover and check for any paper jam or obstruction. 3. Allow the printer to cool down for a few minutes. 4. Close everything properly and plug the printer back in. 5. Turn it on and wait for it to initialize. 6. Run a test print to check if the error is cleared.